How to download VN app in laptop. So if you want to download VN app in laptop, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your browser. On your browser, you need to search for VN app. After searching here, if you scroll down, then you will have the VN video editor right here. So you need to just click on this. Once you click on it, it will take you to this kind of interface. You just need to simply scroll down, and here you will have for Windows option. So you need to click on for Windows. Now, if you want to download VN Video Editor for Windows, here it says that you can install BlueStacks and install VN Video Editor, import and export footages. You will have the VN guide. So to install, you need to first install BlueStacks. So you need to go with BlueStacks.com. After searching for BlueStacks.com, here you will have the download option. You just need to simply go and download your BlueStacks. After downloading your BlueStacks, you need to go with search, and under that, you need to search for VN app. So as you can see that here, you'll have the VN Video Editor. You need to click on the VN Video Editor and you'll be able to download that app once you've downloaded your BlueStacks emulator. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.